Hey everybody, Alan Schaefer at Custom Garden Solutions. Today we have a really quick episode on how to identify your plants in your garden using plant tags. So let's get right to it. Before we get started, you're going to need a couple things. You are going to need a box cutter with a sharp razor. You're going to need a Sharpie permanent marker. Make sure it's permanent. You are going to need some bamboo skewers with a pointy tip. All right. And you're going to need some plastic. I'm using a used up kitty litter container, and this is going to work great. And I'll talk a bit more about that here in a second. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the marketing material on the kitty litter container. And if you can see, this is mostly rectangular on the sides. So now I'm going to cut around here and around here, so that we have a flat surface to work with. So let's get to it. What I want to do is cut these ends out. So I'm just going to cut the top. And I like this square kitty litter container because, as you can see here in a second, we're going to have a flat surface to work with. Now, if you're using like a round, like a bleach container or something like that, it is not going to work as well because you want a flat surface to work on. All right, so now we've got a piece like this, and we're just going to cut one side as straight as we can. There we go. Perfecto. Now I've got it cut into a long strip. I'm going to cut it down further into 2 inches by 4 inch little sections, kind of the size of a playing card. I want to be able to identify the plant tags from a distance in the garden. So let's get cutting. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go out about 4 inches or so. I'm just going to slice it down. Now the next thing I'm going to do is just cut across here, kind of like that. So now I've got a, and these aren't quite as big as playing cards, but they will do. So I want to take the square that I've cut and about 1/3 of an inch from the top and 1/3 of an inch from the bottom. I want to cut about a 3/4 of an inch slit. All right. Actually 2, one on the top, one on the bottom. Then you want to take one of your bamboo skewers and you want to stick it through the top. And we stick it through the bottom. So the last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to label this. Chocolate cherry. And I'm also going to go ahead and label the other side. And I'll stick the bamboo through. And that's one time you want to use the pointy side. And there you have it. Quick and easy plant tag. Now that I got my plant tag ready, let's go put it by the chocolate cherry tomato plant. I'm Alan Schaefer at Custom Garden Solutions. Our channel is all about helping you grow herbs and vegetables and all kinds of cool garden stuff. If you're new to the channel and you want to learn all about growing herbs and vegetables and all kinds of cool garden stuff, then start today by subscribing. And after that, hit the notification bell so that you're notified whenever we release a new episode so you don't miss anything, because you never know what I'm going to be doing next. And now for everybody's favorite, here comes the pepper.